Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're all well. So a few weeks ago, Ben and I went on a family trip to Disneyland Paris. So I thought I'd share with you how I packed, what I ended up wearing, and also some tips and tricks. So first things first, it's time to get all the clothes out that you think you would like to bring and wear, including travel outfits. I always have in my head outfits that I've put together that I think I will probably wear, so I just find it easier just to get everything out and lay it on the bed so I can see what goes with what. Step 2 is to put together your outfits for how many days you're going to be there, including your travel days. And then what I like to do is take a photo of each complete look on my phone just to help make it easier when you get there, so you don't have to worry about what goes with what, because obviously you want to spend the most time at the parks, and I know we had a short amount of time. We only actually had 2 full days at Disney, and then the other 2 days we were traveling. So after you've figured out what you're going to bring and what goes with what, it's time to start packing. And this is what I decided to bring for a total of 4 days. I'll also create this packing list into a pinnable image if you want to keep this for future reference for yourself. So I ended up packing 2 pairs of trousers, 2 jackets, 4 hoodies, 1 vest and 2 t-shirts, 2 pairs of trainers, then 2 small crossbody bags which are optional. I only ended up bringing these smaller bags just because Ben decided to take his backpack, but I do recommend at least someone has a backpack for things like water bottles to refill, snacks if you're not wanting to buy them at the park, sun lotion and a bigger camera if you're taking one, as well as just for putting your coat or jumper in if it gets warmer, or for holding these items in anyway just to pull out when it gets colder at night if you're staying for the fireworks. Then again, mini ears are optional, and don't forget your PJs, underwear, and I forgot to put on the list sunglasses, but I will pop these on the pinnable picture that I will be doing that I'll have linked down below. Okay, so let's get into what I really decided to wear. As I mentioned, day 1 was all traveling, so I opted for my jeans, this grey hoodie with a vest underneath, my khaki jacket, and I didn't wear the mini ears or the pink bag as this outfit ended up being for travel, so I just had my bigger Ted Baker rose gold shopper, and for shoes I wore my pink suede trainers. We were staying at the Hotel Cheyenne, which I've stayed at 3 times before. I love this hotel as it's just affordable. It's also right near the park, and it has a Toy Story Western theme to it, and also a Starbucks. Day 2 we spent all day and all night at the main Disneyland Park, so comfort and layers were the key. So I wore my white Converse, my grey joggers, this pink hoodie, and then I had the pink t-shirt underneath. I also brought my denim jacket with me for the evening. Then I had the pink crossbody bag and my silver mini ears. The park actually opens at 10. I'm not sure if this is winter hours, and then it stays all the way open up until 11 p.m. at night, and the fireworks are at 10 p.m. In the evening when I wore my denim jacket, I only actually managed to get a photo, but I also devoured a large candy floss while I was watching the fireworks. Day 3 we spent at the Walt Disney Studios, so again I wore my Converse and grey joggers. Then as it was a bit warmer, I wore this purple Adidas t-shirt and my denim jacket with this rose gold crossbody bag. The rainbow ears you saw at the start of the video I actually bought for my niece, so I ended up buying some purple ears there. They had so many beautiful different pairs of ears, they were all gorgeous, but the purple ones caught my eye the most. Then in the late afternoon we actually just went back into the Disneyland Park and went on a few more rides and then watched the fireworks again. Finally on day 4 it was sad times as it was time to go home, so I put back on my jeans, my pink suede trainers. I also had on this tan hoodie with a vest underneath, then my khaki jacket and my rose gold shopper. I also forgot to mention my suitcase was from Mataland. I got it a couple of years ago. Finally, I just wanted to share with you a few of my Disneyland Paris packing tips. So first of all, comfort is definitely the key, and a casual all the way. There's no need to bring dressy items or outfits. Definitely pack for all weathers. The weather was super random while we were there. One minute it was hot and sunny, the next minute it was cloudy. It also was really foggy and got super cold in the mornings to start with. So because of this and because you're in the park such a long time, pack layers. Also, don't be afraid to add a little colour to your outfit because this is such a happy place. And you heard me mention before, a crossbody bag or backpack is perfect for carrying around the parks. And then don't forget your sunglasses and SPF as well if it does get really warm. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if it helped you out, if you are going to Disneyland Paris, or just if you really enjoyed this video anyway. I will now look forward to seeing you next week in my new video. I hope you all had a great weekend and I will see you then. Take care guys, bye!